Hello vlog. We are on our way to the National Lottery Bash at Wembley Arena.
You guys can just hear me fangirling about cabaret.
Yeah man.
Nothing new.
I was just telling the vlog where we're going, so
yeah,
you've got that part.
Never start.
Yeah.
We're on our way. We're nearly there.
We're walking down the Wembley
This
Strip.
is reminding me of Harry Styles' Love on Tour. We
Same.
got that too.
We did. Oh yeah, Rosie's back.
Rosie's back.
This reminds me of the first time we went summer ball.
Yeah.
But yeah, we don't know if we're going to be able to like actually film in there. Probably, but we don't know.
So.
We're going to attempt it. So yeah. Yeah.
Rock on.
Rock
we had
on,
a whole
guys.
hoo-ha getting here.
We did.
We'll explain that later, I promise.
Yes. But for now,
we're all together now.
For now, rock on. And we'll see you shortly.
See ya. See ya.
Happy New Year vlog. Happy New Year vlog.
Now, to everybody watching at home, hello, happy New Year's Eve to you. This is where the party begins as we edge closer to 2024, and we're thrilled that you've chosen to spend the last knockings of the year with us.
We've got so many special guests and incredible performances for you tonight. Here's what's coming up. Coming up tonight, the cast of Tina, the Tina Turner musical. The incredible Cat Burns. Maureen gives a performance to remember. Busted her back and better than ever. One Faith embraces her inner power. Jax Jones is joined by some special guests. And the one and only
cousin. So, I know, I just got to get video content of the vlog real quick. Jax Jones is currently in the air, guys. Jax Jones is in the sky. Why is this man in the air?
How are we feeling, Wembley?
He's descending.
Happy New Year to everyone at home. I want to welcome to the stage.
Happy New Year.
My boy, Talent Scott. We all did that tonight, and I want to stand there by your side. If you want to get up, let's try. Just put your hand on your heart. Let's go! I'll come back to you. There's no second chances. Think this alive, no. Thinking you found your feet, then you lose your way. Can't stop losing your way. Always in mind with love. Everybody's been there. You think you're on my mind. I was down all tonight. Oh.
Hello.
Hey.
How y'all doing?
A lot's happened since we last vlogged on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Adelaide met Vic.
I did meet Vic.
I didn't meet Vic because I was ill. Friday, well, what didn't happen on Friday? I quit my job.
Yeah. We
didn't go see Tate because I was still ill. But I still went to work.
Yeah. Then quit.
Then quit. Wasn't my plan, but things happen. This lighting's atrocious, so give me a minute, guys.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll explain what we did yesterday.
Yeah, man.
We went to Cineworld.
We
went
did.
to see Wonka.
To see Timmy.
Timmy Chalamet.
Timmy Chalamet.
Went to see him in 4D.
Yeah!
Our seats
Anything for
moved,
Timothy.
water sprayed at us.
Had some jarring kids next to us whose parents weren't even sat with us, and the parent was sat behind him. And they just kept on kicking the chair. And I was like, oh, please stop.
Literally, I couldn't tell when the chair was actually moving. It was just a kid kicking it.
The kid was like kicking the chair and then climbing over the chair. And I was like, bro, these chairs move. This is a health hazard.
Yeah, it was.
And the parent did not say anything. Like, didn't even be like, oh, you know, can you stop? And one of the kids kept on like standing up and going and stand with him. And I'm like, these chairs move. This isn't safe. But you know, other than that, great film.
Great film.
Timmy did great, of course, as he does.
We do love a bit of Wonka.
Yeah.
Got a hat full of dreams.
Yeah. We also got given our posters.
We did.
Which mine's like on my wall there.
They're scratch and sniff, guys. They
They
smell
are.
like chocolate.
They are scratch and sniff. I'm very happy.
Yes.
And then
Today.
Today.
Today. And then today.
Then today.
Oh, today was a good day.
Today was a very good day. We went to Selfridges.
We
We went to the cabaret Kit Kat Club. Shop. Kit Kat Club and pop up.
Yes, the Kit Kat Club experience, bro.
Yes. It was great.
We had chocolate puddings.
And they were so
They were very
good.
good. We had a cocktail each.
And Emily Benjamin was there.
Emily Benjamin.
And we had no idea.
Yeah. because we didn't know, we hadn't seen the schedule.
Yeah.
So we're just sat there and she just rocks up and starts singing.
And we're like, what the fuck?
It was so good.
Like, I was trying not to die because I was like, what the hell?
Then we wandered Selfridges.
Yeah.
We wandered HMV.
We did. Yeah, I forgot we went HMV. I got 2 books.
I also got 2 books. The Kid Laroi doesn't exist apparently.
No. We looked everywhere for the Kid Laroi. There's just nothing. I found Everybody's Everything by Lil Peep. Only one. And nothing else. Found the Divine Feminine. And also some Trippie Red stuff. But I'm a bit broke for records right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it was great. Check out my Instagram for some pictures.
Yeah, man. We had a girl dinner.
We did have girl dinner.
We had the girl dinner, guys.
It was the maddest mix ever, but it was so good. It actually kept me so happy.
We had noodles and we bought some crackers and we made cheese and crackers.
But yeah.
I was influenced.
I'm gonna try to show you some pictures.
I was influenced into buying these salt and pepper crackers from Tesco, guys. They're so good.
They are very good. I'm gonna try to find some pictures for you guys. Okay. Where do we start? Okay, so we start with it's like the wait, there we go. This is what it was like in there. This is Adelaide. Vibin. Oh damn! This is me. Also vibing. What the fuck?
You did this earlier.
Then we've got, this is our pudding and drink.
Also vibing.
I was gonna say that, I was like no, because she's gonna say that. Then we've got some videos of Emily, which if you want to see them fully, you know, on my Instagram. But not that one. There we go. Big sleigh. And then these are the Sally costumes.
Yes, they had the costume.
I was gonna cry. This is like the Sally and MC costumes. There's pictures of me with the costumes.
And we're like almost certain, by the way, that these costumes are the ones that Mason and Maud wore.
Yes, like I don't know why, but just got that feeling. That's outside the cabaret window, which was in the last vlog. This was also next to like the merch.
The merch was so cool.
The merch was so cool.
Mad expensive, obviously.
Yeah, of course, it's cabaret. But yeah, it was so expensive.
Well, there's some really interesting stuff too.
Yeah, they have stuff like little pouches made from the costumes. If they had Mauds, I would have gone broke. But they didn't.
Yeah, they had like scented candles. They had
Pins.
special gin.
They had special gin.
They had Sally's gin.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not good.
We could have been broken drunk right now, but we're not.
We're not. Self-control, guys. Self-control. Yeah. Anything else interesting happened?
Someone fell at London Bridge Station.
Someone fell. I was wearing a blazer, guys, as you saw in the photo. And this guy tried to squeeze past because these women stopped in front of us, so there's nowhere for us to go. And he was like going that way with, like, I'm guessing his girlfriend. And obviously he had to squeeze past us, which I don't mind, whatever, sure, like, you do what you gotta do. It's not, I get it, these 2 women have just stopped in the middle of Selfridges in front of us. And he had an umbrella in his backpack, and like, you know how like on the handle it like curves, it's like attached to my blazer like that, and it's just pulling me back, and I'm like trying to undo it until this guy realizes his like umbrella is attached to my blazer, and it's just like, oh, I'm so sorry, but it's fine. She's just trying not to pee herself. And I was like, for God's sake, we also saw Santa just before this. Sensor.
Sensor.
So yeah, that's how that went.
Yeah, I decided that there are many things I'll do for the bit. Going up to Santa and get a picture of him is not part of the bit.
I was gonna do it, but then Adelaide said that she wasn't doing it for the bit, and I was like, okay, I won't do it for the bit then.
And then she got hooked away by someone's umbrella anyway.
Yeah, I was gonna go to Santa, but here we are. That elf was a bit too enthusiastic though. I would have gone to Santa if the elf weren't there. That elf was so enthusiastic, and I was like, I'm just not that guy. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say, but
Yeah, rubber.
rock on. We'll see you guys
Rock
next
on.
week, probably. We've been pretty good at that, so we'll see you next week.
Yeah, mum.